Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Obsidian. So if you want to use Obsidian for note taking, journaling, or maybe for any other project, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to simply go to the browser and there you have to search for Obsidian. Then you have to choose this first link, go to its website, click on Get Obsidian for Windows, just simply download it, install it, and then just simply open it up. Once it gets open, you will see this interface. So here we take notes and we can also do more than taking notes. So this is one of the examples. It has written something onto it. What we can do is we can remove it and start writing what we want to. Let's say you want to write something related to how to write a script, or maybe how to write a thesis paper, or anything you want to do as your notes. Just simply give it a title. Here I have given how to write a script. Then you can just simply start writing whatever you would like to. If you have any text somewhere else that you want to use, you can just simply copy and paste up there. Once you select the text, then you can get these formatting options, like you can make it bold, you can highlight it, you can do different things normally we do on other platforms like Word and Google document. Other than that, on the left side you can see we have a few options. So if you have taken multiple notes and you want to find someone or go to the other one, then you have to select with this option. There you will find all of your notes. If you cannot find it, you can also search for it. Then we have this graph view. Here it will take your notes and convert into visuals. You can create graph on from your text. Other than graph view, we also have this canvas view, and then you can also check out your recent notes if you have done any. So these are few options that you can use to go to different modes and find the work that you have done. And if you want to add the image, just simply copy any image from your system and just simply paste here. Also, if you want to add the link, you can do a right click on add link, and just simply paste the URL, and after that the link will be added. If you have an external link, you can also add it by doing a right click and then click on add external link. Also, if you want to use multiple nodes at the same time, then on the top we have this plus icon, through which you can create another node section where you can write a new node. So that's how you can use the Obsidian. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.